Welcome back, foodies! Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of meal kit services with a review of Blue Apron. Is it the perfect balance between high-end cuisine and budget-friendly options? Let's find out. Blue Apron is one of the original meal kit services, and it has honed its craft over the years. With weekly menus featuring special recipes that won't break the bank, it offers a delightful culinary experience without draining your wallet. From tender steak to fresh seafood dinners, Blue Apron's meal kit options cater to all tastes. They even have super quick oven-ready meals that rival your favorite restaurant takeout. Not only that, but Blue Apron is also the most environmentally friendly meal kit service in 2023, with a lower overall carbon footprint than traditional grocery shopping. Plus, we did the math, and it's often as cheap, if not cheaper, than buying groceries yourself. Getting started with Blue Apron is a breeze. Simply sign up, select your plan, and your meal kits will be delivered on your chosen day. With around 16 meal kits to choose from each week, Blue Apron offers a diverse range of recipes. Whether it's steak or seafood, or even plant-based options, there's something for everyone. Blue Apron meals are easy to prepare, and most take between 25 to 35 minutes. The oven-ready options are even quicker, perfect for those with a busy schedule. Families will love Blue Apron, as the price per serving drops to $8 when you order 4 recipes for 4 people. It's also a great option for those following the Weight Watchers program. While Blue Apron shines with its sophisticated recipes, there might be better options for vegetarians. But overall, it's an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their cooking skills without breaking the bank. In the end, Blue Apron proves it's anything but stale. With its easy ordering process, environmentally friendly approach, and mouth-watering recipes, it's a must-try for food enthusiasts. That wraps up our review of Blue Apron. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting reviews and comparisons. Thanks for tuning in. This is Product Critique, signing off. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.